आफ्टरनून फ्रेंड्स एंड माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज मैं बात करूंगी कि रिसर्च में साइटेशंस किस तरह से की जाती हैं। हाउ वी कैन साइट रिसर्च आर्टिकल which is available online, offline, manually, or it may be the audio, it may be the video. So how we can cite a certain content in our research work, that is very important, because citation of existing literature, citation of existing research outcomes is very very important to proceed further, because it is a progression is very important in research, and therefore we follow the recommendation of earlier study and we proceed further. So that is why it is very very important that we should always have a good quality of citation. So the proper appropriate format we should aware how to cite, what to write, where to write, kind of. Okay, so we are just going to see how the citation and the bibliography you can see here. As in the recent trend, we are using reference post chapters. So all these references, whichever we address after the chapters, these all references come together as a list in the bibliograph. So bibliography is the entire list, whatever you cited in your research work. Okay. So there is a difference between the reference and bibliography is this. The reference is related to that particular chapter and bibliography is related to your entire course of research work. Okay. So let's proceed now. Now you can see on the screen, this is one of the way that the author can write their bibliography. These are the existing research work which I am showing you in a demo form. So this is one of the work done by a research scholar, and this way their bibliography is appearing. Now we can see different kind of bibliographies are appearing in a different research work. So these are a few example. I just want to demonstrate in front of you how people cite other research in their research work. Okay, this is one of the way we can write like books, means by the category of references received from, like sources, like this is a book, or somewhere it is written article, somewhere it is written website, somewhere it is written blog, whatever may. Okay, so these are few examples which is readily available on internet, where the people publish their work and publish their thesis, so that we can easily find out how people write references and bibliography, in which kind of style is referred by the people. Now we are in the word file and we are going to understand how to write. Suppose I'm writing post my chapter the references, how I'm going to write it. You can say this is a journal article which I'm going to cite here. Okay. First stage is we have to first organize our entire content. So I'm just selecting my content, going in font, and then I'm selecting a font that is Time New Roman. Okay. Then I'm going in a size. I'll select 12 is a size. Now here you can see it is not properly aligned. So I'll just go in the text justify, and then it will be properly aligned. And the last is space. So I'll take 1.5 as a space. Now you can see it looks completely aligned, symmetric, and to view and as an appearance, it looks nice as a document to read. Reference, you can see here there are headings. One is a home, insert, draw, design, layout, reference. So I'm going in a reference. In reference, you go in a cite, insert citation. Okay, you go in a insert citation. I'll just go in insert citation. Now I'm going to read all these options shown over this page, so that you will be much familiar, because in one single demo you will understand how to cite and what to cite and which way we should proceed. Okay, so we'll just go through the this information or the field or where we have to fill the information. First, we'll try to understand what these are and how to fill all these sections. Now, initially we can see type of source. Here you can click in type of source and you can find the number of sources are there. So book is one of the source from where we can get content. Book sections is one of the source from where we can get content. Then the research journals or the journals which is based on conceptual concept. So that journals we can use, that journal, the article belongs to that journal can be one of the source. Then the periodics are there. So periodicals journals are there. That is also one of the source. Then conference proceedings are there, that is one of the source. Then the report of different survey, a different research project, or kind of, these are the sources. Website, document from the website, electronic sources, like we can have a audio recorded tape or something like that. So as per the nature of the research, as per the methodology adopted, as per the data collection sources, and as per the variables of the study or a problem of the study, you need different kind of contain different kind of materials, and this material can get it from these different sources. Okay, so type of sources is very important. Then you can see the language. So US and UK base is there, but then we can select the default, that is fine. Now, in the bibliography field for APA format, because we selected APA, so it is a APA format. In that author, single author name will be there. And if your research paper has more than one author, like 2 or 3 or multiple author, these all authors is titled as corporate author. So multiple author will come here. Okay. After that, the important section is title of that research paper and in which journal this research paper was is published. That journal name will come here. Then publisher name will come here. And then rest of CT is not a mandatory factor, where the star is given, or this you can see the dots are given. These are the mandatory areas. Then CT, and the year is very important, in which year the article was published. Then again, month, day, volume, issue is not mandatory, but if you have a volume and issue, it is always good to write. Further moving, you can see page numbers, mandatory. So we can easily cite that article from which a page number we borrowed that material. Then editors, short titles, and standard number. So standard number can be ISBN or ISSN, or it can be DIO. So these numbers can be used here, so that these numbers will take you, or these numbers will help you to catch that material through the online mode. Okay, so now we are proceeding towards writing this citation up for this article. So I selected article which is from the journal, and till now I don't know how many authors, so my author link is open and I'm going to see that article now. Okay, now here you can see that article is, and we have here. So what kind of information is available with this article is, you can see this is a title of the paper, this is journal name, you can see this is year, volume, and issues is given. Again further we can see this standard number is also given. This number we can use to locate this article. And we can find these numbers. So we have to, there is no direct number is given, so we have to calculate or count these numbers and to write these numbers. Okay, so likewise information is available. We are just going to cite, or just going to place this information, and you can see here the author's name. So first of all, we'll take an author name. We'll go step by step. So first is author name. I'm just going to add or place author name. Now here you can see the two authors are there, author 1 and author 2. So we have to write down the author name in the same sequence, right? So I'm just taking first author name. So first in this column, edit name, in this column, the surname and first name is surname, first name, and the middle name is there. Okay, so it is very feasible to write first name, second name, and the surname. So here I'm writing his surname, nothing to be added in that, no dots, no comma. Okay, it will take its own. So this is add, And I'm going for the second author name. So I'm just going to write his name again. So this is his initial name, first name, and this is the last name. Okay, both the names are written here. I am not going to write this prefix. So, and because these are the two authors, and as I told you, author place here, you can write only single author. But because there is a two authors, we have to choose corporate author. So they will be here. Now we are going for title of this paper. So this is the title of the paper. So I'm just going to take this title also. Title is here. Now journal name. I'll go and collect the journal name also. So it is very easy. If you can see, it's not at all tough job, but yes, it is very lengthy because you have to take a small thing. You have to be very much conscious about what you're writing. It should not be like copy paste means it only citation can be copy paste, not rest of the thing. Rest of the thing you have to read and you have to see how much association is there between your work and the work you are citing. So volume is 1 and issue is 3. So I'm not going to copy paste it. I'll write down it directly, and then I'll take this number, okay, as a reference number. Standard number, okay. 1 and 3 and pages start from 129. The volume is 1, issue is 3, page start from 129 dash, let me check last page, 134, okay. 134. Now you can see all the stars are filled. Means all the information associated or tagged to the star, tagged by the star, it is filled. Okay. So likewise, it is very easy to cite any document. Now here you can see that author name can be highlighted, can be seen. Okay. So this way you can easily cite. Here you can get both the author's name as well as you are getting a year. In this case, you can do one modification that I can show you. If you want to change or if you want to modify this citations, so you can go again, edit bar. We are just remove this author names. Okay. Now I'm just putting Joshi, the final name, and then N, initial. And for the next one also the same. So sometime you can find this kind of citation also. See, so this is a modified citation. So earlier I used to have both the names. Now I'm using only the initially last name. Okay. So this is also right. That is also right. And even the number is given. Likewise, you can cite number of articles. For example, I'll just copy paste same content just to show you a demonstration how to cite from the book. Okay. Okay. Now here again I'll go for the same procedure because I want that content should look symmetric. So my arrangement should be accordingly. Now I'll just take this from the book as a book content. Okay. And then from book, what kind of information is required, that we will see now. So again I'm going in a reference, okay, again I'm going in a citation, and here I'm selecting book. Okay, now book is there, so some information is required, so I'm writing here again the name of the author. Surname is, okay, and second author name is also, okay. Now because there is two authors, so I'm going to take them as a corporate author. Title, research methodology, something like that. In sports, okay, like this, or in management. City, we can say Delhi. Publisher, we can say, suppose this is the name of publisher, and the publication is in the year 2020. Now they are asking for more to write. Volume is not there, number of volumes not there, pages. Now pages, how many pages are there? 1 to 127. Okay, then further, what is standard number is there. Now we can write standard number as, okay, fine. So I'm just going to cite this book, and let's see how the citation look like. Okay. Now you can see here it is given the name of uh, the author also. Now I'm just going to show how you are going to take bibliography under your chapter. So in each chapter, whenever you cite your chapter, you write reference. Okay, so this reference is belongs to this particular chapter, means like the things are mentioned in this citation is belongs to this chapter. Okay, it's not belong to the second chapter. Now here, if you want to change this, okay, this particularly, so this one also you can change. So in this you can go again, edit source, and then this title, you if you want to make it small, this is a bibliography where you can see the information is available. So this way we can go for the citations, right? And again you can generate your own reference or bibliography. If it is a chapter, then it is a reference. If it is whole document or whole dissertation thesis, then it is a bibliography, like that. Means like end of the entire 5 chapters of your report or of your thesis or of your dissertation, you write bibliography. But behind,
Here I'm sharing
after
my
each and every
email
chapter,
address.
every time you
So
write
if you have
references.
any
So
query
this
about
way
the
you can go for
citations, means like how to
citation.
go for citation with the different sources, you can write me. We can definitely connect to solve that query. And subscribe my channel so that you can see more videos related to the research and associated aspect. Thank you so much for watching this. Thank you.